Right, assalamu alaikum everyone. So a few more days to close the private channel. Today's 27, 3 more days. Scroll down to the Discord link, click on the Discord, enter Discord, click on announcement and click my name and tell me if you want to be a part of it. So very, very few days left. Now, COS, what is COS? COS is a social media site just similar to YouTube for content creators to upload their video and also get paid by crypto, right? So you upload your image videos onto COS and their website, you can search their website, you can download their application as well. And what it does is that you get paid for appreciation that people show you, you get paid for comments that are down on that platform as well. I've actually had the chance to also, get to see what COS is all about, and it's a cool project kind of. And now I want to talk about the TA, and on Binance, COS is the one that has been pumping lately. And what I want to say is that yesterday I was actually looking at COS when it was trading down right somewhere over here. I was thinking of getting into the trade, but then again I was like, it's just very, very versatile right now. It's moving really, really high, and maybe it's not a good idea, but yeah, I kind of missed a little bit of the move. So we had a pennant that goes from there to there, and we can actually see that we had a technical target up to maybe 0.034, but all of a sudden it actually didn't really meet the target, and then from here it started to drop to the downside. So if I zoom out on the daily time frame, there's one place that I thought it could have been more better if we saw COS coming up to. And if you zoom out completely, you have COS that has this one resistance up here that could have made a lot of sense if it could have pumped to the upside. So what I'm looking forward for was up to 0.0489 something. So is there any chance we still get up there? Maybe there is a little bit of a chance. The last time you pumped to the upside and then you came down in the middle, you still ended up coming up here. So we could actually still see a little bit of a sideways movement and then continue to the upside. But there's one more thing to take into notice as well. COS has broken above a certain resistance, and that is going to be this right over here. Do you see that? So you've actually managed to break the support and resistance right over here, because you were rejected, you went down here, you rejected there, you got rejected here, you came up, you broke to the upside. So is the retest going to be successful today? Perhaps you can stay like this and maybe try to go back up to that next resistance level, which makes a lot of sense. Now, the best scenario is if you end up breaking above here and retest, then maybe this is time we see COS completely taking over and making new highs, and who knows where the next move is going to be, and that really depends. So that's pretty much it for this update on COS. I'm going to see you the next one in the office.